Okay. Yung iba medyo nahiya. In popular culture, when you are a lover of science or you're a scientist, you are referred to as a nerd. Diba? In popular culture, pag nanood kayo ng movies and they portray somebody who is really into science, portray as a nerd. May glasses, clumsy, kulang sa social skills. Now, that's how it is portrayed in popular culture. But I would disagree. No? Kasi parang yung portrayal na yon is somewhat unfair because it shows a character that is parang isolated and detached from society. But in reality, scientists are revolutionaries. They break ground. They innovate. They make things happen. They initiate. That's what revolutionaries are. In fact, when we refer to the 4 industrial revolutions, all of those were scientific revolutions. From the first, coal, the start of the use of coal in running machinery. We go to gas, which leveled up machinery. Later on, you go to electronics and nuclear power. And right now, we're in the age of Internet of Things. So, all of those were driven by scientists. What made the world modernize were scientists. So, hindi tayo nerd. No? Revolutionaries. And I am really proud that Colegio de Muntinlupa is paving the way for Muntinlupa to make a mark in the area of science. The gains that the Colegio de Muntinlupa has achieved in these past few years since its inception, we can say that they are really moving by leaps and bounds. Again, thanks to the person who founded it all, Congressman Jimmy Fresnedi, and our current President, Dr. Tess Fortuna. Then let's give them a round of applause, please. So with this robotics fair, kanina nga sinasabi ni Dr. Fortuna, parang some people are asking why robotics. Perhaps those who ask her has not yet fully comprehended the importance of robotics. Baka parang laro-laro lang. But she was very correct when she said that it develops critical thinking, the finding of solutions to challenges that we face day to day. Because not only does it provide automation, as you know, assembly of cars are done by robots now. It's even now going into the field of medicine. So, with the advent of artificial intelligence, when you combine it, we are really looking into the future happening now. It was just